to show you how to make your car pop and bang. I'm not saying this is good for your car. I'm not saying it's bad for your car, because I genuinely don't know. I don't do it all the time, but if you do want it to pop and bang properly, then just change your exhaust system. So this could work for any car. It works for the Corsa VXR or any VXR quite very well actually. It pretty much does it on every single time that I attempt to do it. Okay, so what you want to do while you're driving is you want to go at a certain speed. For example, second gear 20 mile an hour. You want to go up to 30 mile an hour by pressing the accelerator right on the very edge. Once you get so far to 30 mile an hour, let it pop up just like that as you clutch down to change gear, and it pretty much guarantees to pop in every gear. The higher RPM, if your RPM's around 3,500, the better. The higher, the louder it is. So I tried to show you guys the best I could. I'm not sure how it's come out, so hopefully you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. It is difficult to record while obviously, you know, I'm in the busy doing something. But yeah, the reason your exhaust actually pops is because of the fact that it's fumes in your exhaust, so, or excess overfueling. Now, when you put your foot down like that, it causes your injectors to start spraying some more fuel. So any unburnt fuel that is in your exhaust or any fumes, obviously, that's why when you decat a car, it pops and bangs all the time. And back box delete, because the fumes are just free to bang and explode. When I say explode, I mean obviously a controlled explosion, hence why you can hear the bangs, pops. You can get them mapped in, but with certain cars like the VXR, Corsa VXR, it doesn't do too well really. I'm not sure about the other VXRs. Now again, I'm not sure whether this works on other cars, so by all means, if you're watching this video, give it a try. Let me know if it does. But yeah, this is the sure way that I've found to make sure mine pops and crackles. So thank you for watching. I hope that explained quite a bit. Any questions, comment it down below. Like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. Follow me on Instagram, which is on the screen now, if you have any questions or for some future photos. So yeah, see you in the next one.